Chris here, nice garage. A couple years ago, I made a video of me taking and replacing the long antenna on my 2012 Silverado with this guy. I ordered another one, and it took a little bit to get the old antenna off, but this screwed right on. You guys all saw the video. Somebody made a comment that it did not fit their 2002. So this truck is my 2002. Yes, it's been sitting for a little bit. Getting on, hopefully in the spring, this is going to be back up and running, and we were going to put a crate motor in. But anyway, it's beside the point. So again, I ordered another one of these. It's the same one I bought before. So I want to make a call because I have a plan for this antenna, but since somebody made the comment that it didn't fit their 02 and it should have, I wanted to check that. So let me get these open. Okay, so it comes with two different adapters. I believe GM uses what's a 6mm thread and a 7mm thread. So we're gonna put one of these on so you guys can see me do it. And must have picked the right one because that's screwing right on. Okay, sorry for the cobwebs and stuff. Again, this has been sitting outside. Here's the antenna. And boom, it does fit a 2002. Actually looks kind of nice. I don't have a need for an antenna on this truck, so I won't be putting it on. But in this exact video, I'm going to be showing the other two GM vehicles, and I believe this antenna will fit any GM vehicle after I do this. Okay, I took the antenna back off the 02, and now I am going to try it on our 94 Silver S10 SS. So the antenna size is roughly 10mm. There's a little play in there, but I'm sure it'll work. It's definitely not 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off now. In the last video, I made a comment about how we used to take these off a long time ago by wiggling them back and forth, and they would come loose. And I'm not gonna explain how and why I know that, but that may have already been a little loose. That came off too easy. So again, two adapters it comes with. Let me see, what that one on again. Did I pick the right one? Okay, so that one is too big, and this one, same threads. Let's see if it's deep enough. Let's see, that goes right on there, and then the antenna screws on there. Okay, so now two more vehicles it fits on. Let me see if this even needs the adapter. Maybe the adapter is on there just for spacing. Let's see if this will go directly on there. And it does. Okay, interesting. So on the 02, ooh, that actually looks better without the adapter. Okay, so this is a 94 GM vehicle, and it fits on there. So we got one more, and this is the reason why I bought the new antenna, which I'm probably going to buy another one now to put on here permanently, unless I have this shaved off sometime. But I'm trying to keep this truck original, so I'll probably just keep that in storage. Okay, so now I walked over to our 2012 GMC Savannah, and this is why I bought this, to see if it would work on here and fit on here. Oh, that's not good. that may have busted inside the fender. Oh man, yep, it definitely did. Something busted in there. Oh, that's great. Well, YouTube, don't do what I just did. All right, so I just opened up the hood to see what busted. And the cable, as you can see, is in there moving. It's still attached. So I'm grabbing a pair of pliers right now, and I am still going to prove to see if this antenna will fit on here by holding this and unscrewing this one. And then, well, now I definitely need a short one because this will be bouncing around in the wind. Oh man. All right guys, so in all the years I've been doing this, I have never busted off an antenna, but I did this time. And maybe I could have put a little bit of, like, you know, WD-40 on it or something like that, but I didn't, because again, I've never had that problem. But I stuck a pair of pliers on there and gripped it up, and you can see I even chewed up the rubber, which I don't care for this thing. It's just a work vehicle and a tow machine. But I am going to end up changing this whenever I find one. So anyway, I won't be able to prove that this antenna works on here, but when I did my research, I believe this stem was the 6mm one, and this adapter worked on both. So again, not going to be able to say that it worked on a Savannah for right now or a express van, but I will at some point. Thank you.